Okay, so we're getting ready to review this camera here. I'm holding the GoPro 9, the brand new GoPro 9, and we're gonna see how it does underwater. So right now I'm shooting in 1080 HD and 60 frames per second. Kids are having fun, and we're gonna see how well it does. There's no water case on this. If you do want a water case, I'll link one in the description down below. I'll link this camera down below. I'll link the SD card that I'm using down below that I recommend. But yeah, I think we're gonna see what this new camera can do. Okay, let's see how this thing does underwater. I'll take off this hat and we'll leave the glasses on. There it goes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like the GoPro 8, I was a little bit nervous in taking this thing underwater because there's no housing, there's nothing that goes around this thing, but I think they make these things for durability and taking underwater and deep sea diving and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about it, but if you are going to a certain depth, like if you are scuba diving, then you do have to use a case to take this underwater. Alright, so that gives you a little bit of footage of how well this thing performs underwater. So comment down below, what do you think? Does it look good? Does it perform well whenever it's underwater? Does it stabilization look good? Let me hear your thoughts. Comment down below. Also, let me know if you're going to buy one of these cameras. They're very versatile. I love the GoPro. You can do so much with it. But yeah, let me know if you're going to get one. Okay, before we do, I want to test out the stabilization of this thing to see how well it performs whenever I'm just walking. So I got it held on to some, not really a gimbal, but one of those Joby bendy tripod mounts. And I'm holding it and I'm just walking right now to see, is it shaky? Does it hold pretty steady? With every new GoPro release, they always upgrade the stabilization on it to make it look a little bit better. So I'm always interested to see every year, from year to year, how well they improve on that aspect of these cameras. Alright, well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If you liked it and if it was helpful to you, throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in next one. Until then, go out there and be creative.